Going on a bike ride?
Yeah.
Where are we? Redbrow Woods. We're on our way. We're going to go to NewMills, and then we'll find somewhere to eat. Maybe find some trails to ride. It's going to be fun.
I'd like that.
You'd like that?
I'd like trails.
Like you want some trails?
I like trails.
Well, it's muddy. It's wet. Woohoo! Right, that's a steady down here. Yeah, there's a motorbike. Look, there's a scratch. Just keep an eye and ear out. Right, mate. This way. Go. Nice. Dab, dab, dab. Don't grab. That's the rule. Dab, dab, dab. Don't grab. See? Right, you got it. Well done. Nice. Oh, good try, mate. Yeah, no. Nice. People made that. I reckon people can make that again. Definitely not. Alright. Boop, 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 boop. Some quality H2O there.
Really?
Really? Yeah, water, mate. H2O.
I know.
I thought you knew your science.
I do.
Where are we going? We're going up here, aren't we? We're about halfway to NewMills now, mate.
Halfway?
Yeah! We're halfway.
It's not like 20 miles.
Woo! Not there. On your front or your back? Front. Right. Not that little bridge. I said big bridge. Big bridge. Bridge reviews! Who does that? As far as bridges go, I think this one's cool. I wanted to kayak down that bit. I think it's definitely doable. Yeah. Well, it's not that bit, it's the hard bit. That's the easy bit. Whoop whoop! Woo! That's a lot of water. Some room, Jay. I'm not sure how far it's a good idea to go down. I think it's safe to go all the way down. Woohoo! We got there. What we eating?
Chicken wok.
Nice. We're sat outside Co-op
Co-op.
in NewMills.
You can sort of see in Co-op.
Yeah, but look, now it's facing the other way. Oh no! Yeah, 360 cam. It's the Swizzels factory. Go on then. No bridge. There's my boy. Don't look much up close, but it's alright from a distance. The smell's amazing though, isn't it, Jay? Mmm, sweeties! Yum, 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 yum. Riding down the canal. Dodging all the puddles. If it gets too bumpy, go to the side. You can handle it, can you? Nice. Wide on the exit. Don't worry. I know you know this. On the Middlewood Way, going through the night. It's all very straight and boring. I said, did you want to go down the canal? You said no. You said train track route. This used to be a train track. Yes. How do you think it starts the station? There. Or was. Go mad! Go mad! Yeah! You're covering me in mud! Is that all you got? We knew there'd be a day. We'd have to change the battery and the radio.
Yay!
I don't know whether that's progress or not. Right, not far now. We're on Marple Locks. 16.4